Hi, teacher. My name is Nicolarce, and I'm going to do a narrative or explanation about the Revit project. In this project, I work using Revit to model a two-story residential building step by step. First, I start by setting up the levels of the project, and I created two main levels, the ground floor and the second floor, each with a height of 3 meters. This helps me organize the model and ensure that all the elements are placed correctly in height. And after that, um, define the levels, I began working on the ground floor. I selected the wall tool and start drawing the perimeter of the house according to my design. I carefully adjust the dimensions to maintain proper proportions, and once the walls were ready, I add the floor slab, and I use the floor tool to create the base surface inside the walls, making sure it was properly aligned with the structure. Next, I start placing the doors and windows, and I select different types from the library and insert them into the walls. I adjust their size and positions to match the functions of each space to improve natural lighting and ventilation. Um, After that, I created the staircase, and I used the star tool to connect the ground floor to the second floor, defining the height, number of steps, and width so it fits correctly with the design. And then I moved to the second level. I created the walls again, following the layout to the first floor, but also adapting some spaces based on the design needs. And once the walls were in place, I add doors and windows on the second floor, and I make sure they are aligned visually with the elements below and maintain consistency in the facade. Next, I organize the interior spaces, defining areas such as rooms, circulation zones, and open spaces. This step is important to give functionality to the design and to see the design more functional, I think. And as you can see in the model, I also incorporate exterior elements, and I design balconies that extend along the facade and add and railings to ensure safety and enhance the architectural appearance. Then I focus on the roof design, and I create a slope high roof that covers the entire structure, and I used its slopes and geometry so it fits correctly with the walls and gives a clean finish to the building. After completing the main elements, I refine the model by checking proportions, elements, and details such as openings and stereos features. Finally, I reviewed the overall model to ensure everything was correctly placed and visually consistent, and this process allowed me to create a complete and functional architecture model. And that's it. That's how I do it. I speak uh, over the video, obviously, and for that, the video um, for now, it's me doing all of these things. So I hope you see it. Thank you.